So hey guys, today in this video I will show you how to install Exodus Live TV on your Fire TV or Fire Stick. So first of all, go to your Fire TV settings menu or Fire TV stick setting menu and click to device and software and go to developer option and on app from unknown sources and turn on. And now go to home screen your Fire TV and select the find option and search here downloader. Just type here downloader and install the downloader in your Fire TV. So here you can see the downloader app look like this. Download this downloader app and open it, and after open it just enter the URL section and press OK button to see the on-screen keyboard. Just type here, just type https. So I will show you https tinyurl.com. Type here https tinyurl.com tinyurl.com. Just type here this link and slash type slash ex1212. Just enter this link and click to go to option and wait for the connecting. You can see the file has been connected and you can see the file has been downloaded. So after the download I will show you how to install. Just click to cancel or install. You can see the options. Just click to install option and click OK, and now click done button and go to again the downloader and click delete and click delete again, and now go to your Fire TV or Fire Stick home screen. Now go to your apps option and you can see the Exodus Live TV install complete in our Fire TV. So just click to open it and click allow and wait for the open this file. You can see this file has been downloaded. Exodus Live TV has been installed in our Fire TV and Fire Stick. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more new videos update. Thank you for watching.